So to do this, it's pretty simple. When you first open up Adobe Premiere Pro, go to the top left-hand corner where you see these tools. We're going to highlight and select Edit. Drop down to Preferences. Just highlight it and then slide over to Media Cache. Then select that option. So from within this window here, there's two options. So there's the option to delete every single cache file there is on Adobe Premiere Pro, but I don't recommend using that option because some files will be needed, especially if you're editing videos while you're trying to delete the cache. So what I recommend doing is using this option at the bottom, the second one. This option will automatically delete files older than whatever set days you put it to. So for this example, I'm gonna put 7 days. Now when it comes to the two scheduled options, it'll put it into effect every week. Now the day that actually starts can vary depending on the person. I believe it starts as soon as you open Premiere Pro, so whichever day that is. Of course, we don't remember that, but just know every week it'll put this into effect. If you're interested in more informational videos like this around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to the channel because I'm always trying to teach you guys something, all right? But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.